Welcome to Hoovies Garage, and we've just been hit with a Typhoon. My Typhoon is home. I bought it in California during Monterey Car Week. It performed flawlessly for me out there and got tons of attention. This is actually a factory color, teal. It's green, and now it's back home, and I think it's really close to perfect. I'm so confident that it's perfect that I'm going to fix the one thing that's broken, and then I'm going to drive it up to the car wizard so he can confirm my suspicions that I finally bought the cheapest Typhoon that's, well, it wasn't the cheapest, but the nicest cheap Typhoon that isn't broken. Since the wizard telling me my Typhoon is perfect would probably be a very short video, I'm also going to go over all the projects, which even more progress is being made on a lot of them and not on a few. So let's get started. You all give me crap for not wrenching in Hoovies Garage. It's not really a garage, it's more like a storage space, but I have the one broken thing here, this AC climate control knob thingy that broke apart in my hands the moment I met this Typhoon, and I think I can put it in. It just needs a Phillips screwdriver and a few plugs. And do I even have a Phillips screwdriver in here? Okay, I believe I keep the tools over here somewhere around the moon shoes. What are you doing?
Hey, what's up?
John Ross is here.
I heard you need help finding a Phillips screwdriver, and I actually keep those things around. Oh, how do you like the world's most hated motorcycle wrap?
It's interesting.
I love it.
It's hideous.
I heard you were going to work on a car, so I figured I'd better show up. Also, it looks like you've got tools. I see Craftsman logos over there.
Oh, yeah, but that's all disorganized. I think it's up here in this bowl with sharp objects.
Ah, I see. You've got a bowl of screwdrivers and a bowl of keys.
Yes.
Well, don't cut yourself with any of that nonsense.
I have 3 Phillips head screwdrivers, I'll have you know. I'm a legitimate mechanic.
Well, at least if you have to go to the hospital, I can take you in the Rolls Royce. Sounds comfy.
So this is what came apart in my hands, and while we were in California, we took it off, and this piece fell out. And it's supposed to spin in there and tell the climate control what to do, but it won't do anything without that. See, this is what it's supposed to look like. It's in there, all nice, so hopefully this fixes my issue.
That one looks a lot better.
I'd love to have air conditioning. So, John Ross, you've got a lot more spare time on your hands right now, don't you?
If you want to call full-time YouTube spare time.
Oh, full-time YouTube, not by choice.
Not by choice.
For those of you that don't know, it's my friend John Ross. His channel's Watch JR Go. He bought the Subaru SVX from me, and you buy anything else from me?
I don't know.
Is that it?
It seems like I've bought more cars from you.
I don't know. You've been on my channel a lot, and you've developed a pretty decent subscriber base, a good revenue stream from YouTube, but...
And I kept saying words like, when I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm quitting my day job. But I didn't mean it, you know? I was like, maybe I'll quit my day job if I'm doing well. But instead, the day job quit me.
You got fired. He got fired for YouTubing too much.
Yeah, so I guess word got around and they were like upset about me having other things to do. So here I am, full-time YouTube, ready to work on some cars.
So no more tech support and now full-time car YouTubing.
Nope, no more IT world.
Lovely. Well, that's one way to do it.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
I know this is a little bit tricky because those vacuum lines that are on the back of there are really tight. And we might be able to just start like easing those off. Oh yeah, that's helping. And then the wiring harnesses have no slack in them. Okay, so there's one.
This is turning into like a wizard segment, except it's John Ross doing all the work.
Sorry, you can do that.
Okay, let me try and unplug one. Here, I can't do it. You do it. I can't figure it out.
I think you've got it.
It's hard.
Working on cars is difficult.
It's hard. Keep going.
Oh, and it looks like we don't have to pull the vacuum harness off. We just need 8mm. I'm gonna go try to find some tools in this garage.
Okay, good luck. There's tools somewhere. And I should mention that I got this AC panel from J&J Auto Wrecking. They actually have a Typhoon in inventory that they are parting out. So if you have a Typhoon and need a part, they have it. They have everything. Raptor, Hummer H2, everything. Okay, you got the vacuum pod thingies off, so now it's all on my side, huh?
That's it.
I don't know how to take that off. For goodness sake.
Do you want the knife?
Ah!
Okay, there. Just give it a little bit of pull. Well, I'm trying to hold it out.
Don't cut me!
All right.
Okay.
Nobody got cut. Look, all procedures used in this video were safe, and OSHA agrees with everything we did.
Okay. Just plug this all in and see if it works.
There you go.
This into that. Oh, is it that way? Yes. Oh, I'm upside down. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that plugs upside down too.
I'm totally upside down at this point. Okay, and that's up here. Yes.
Oh man, you're knocking it out so fast.
Yes.
Oh no, you got it. Look, I believe in people. That's what I do. When you got it, you got it.
Okay, moment of truth.
You're not gonna button it all back up and then just believe in yourself?
No.
Okay.
No. No, but before it wouldn't blow anything at all, ever. And now, what do we got?
Hey!
Let's feel that air conditioning that I never had in California. Ah, the first successful repair
In the
history of Hoovies garage, the new garage. Very nice. That bug. Well, I'm gonna show this. Now I'm gonna show this bug. All the other projects here in the garage, and then we'll head up to the Wizard for a progress report. Maybe the 911 engine will be going in soon.
We'll have the Wizard grade your repair.
I miss that car. I miss it. Actually, if you go off of current projects in the garage, you'll be pretty mad at me because there's been zero progress. The 500E, the transmission is still bad. The rear end is still making noise. It literally hasn't moved since the last time I talked about it. I do drive the Imperial with its transmission leak still leaking. It's fine. You just top it off every once in a while. And the Lamborghini check engine light is still on. I'm still waiting for that cable from Tavares, but he's dealing with hurricanes and stuff right now. And the 500 SL still does its funky thing with the door. The real progress is taking place up at the Wizards, so we'll head up there. And John Ross, are you coming?
Oh,
Wizard! Hello, Wizard.
Beautiful color.
You can try it. Try it.
Try and say Wizard.
Yes.
Weezer.
Why
Yes.
did you say Weezer?
Yes. JR tagged along because he has a lot of time on his hands.
Yeah, quite
A lot of time on his hands.
He got fired for YouTubing too much.
You got fired for YouTubing?
I did. I guess word got around and they weren't happy about the situation, so that was the end of it. Now I'm here to work on cars.
Oh, wow.
More often.
Luckily, I can't get fired. Well, I guess he could fire me.
I could. Well, yeah, if I fired you, then I'd be just screwed. It'd be mutually assured destruction, like the USSR and America.
It'd be a crumbling of two empires.
Cold War.
Actually, I fixed this in the garage myself. The air conditioning didn't work. The panel had broken, but I replaced the panel myself, 100% by myself in my garage. It was the first repair ever in the new garage.
Wow.
He did not help at all.
He didn't
He
help at all?
didn't do anything.
Only.
All me.
Wow.
All me, and this thing is perfect. Absolutely perfect. You won't find a thing wrong with it. Wizard, before it goes in the air, marvel at its magnificence. 4.3 liter turbo. Perfection.
Perfection?
Absolute perfection.
It does look pretty good, really. It's a turbo.
It's very fast.
Cyclone.
Not even for the day, it's just really fast.
Really?
Period. If I keep buying vehicles like these, you will be out of business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what, though? It won't last long.
Oh wow.
Yeah, manual switch.
I guess the battery won't die.
No.
Wow.
It's perfect. Let's put it in the air and continue the tour of perfection. Perfection.
There's something leaking here.
Okay, well, we have to eliminate seepage.
Seepage?
Seepage doesn't count.
What about drips?
Oh.
You got some oil cooler lines that are hobo repaired.
Oh. I didn't see that before.
It looks like somebody made hydraulic hose. Is that?
Yeah, it looks like homemade hydraulic hose.
Well, that's not a big deal.
I mean, it works.
What about this one? That's a big deal. That looks like,
You just tasted it.
yeah,
What did it taste like?
engine oil.
Oh.
No, that's gear oil.
Oh, you need to give it another taste to make sure?
Let's do it again. Yeah, that's gear oil.
So the case itself?
I think you see the silicone?
Yeah.
Somebody tried to had this apart. They didn't seal it very well.
Oh.
What? The pan bolt's not even tight. I'm gonna take it out with my hand just for saying
What are you
it was
doing?
perfect. I'm gonna take it all the way out.
Don't take parts off my Typhoon.
Perfect.
It's really nice. Admit it.
Someone's replaced the cat.
It's really nice. Just admit that it's really nice.
I'll determine that as soon as I get done here. It's really not that bad, Tyler.
It's not.
I did find quite a few things.
Well, those two leaks.
All little stuff.
We don't even need to sit in the office for those. To reseal this front diff.
I'll have to pull it down.
Okay, but how much?
Probably $1,000.
Really?
I'll have to undo all this.
Oh, crap. Well, the oil cooler lines aren't that bad, though.
No, those aren't.
Okay. So it's not a major, major project. I could live with a little oil leak for a bit. I kind of need to live with an oil leak for a little bit because there's too many other projects going on.
Too many others, yes.
Yes.
We have an E63 that's got intake. I've already seen intake gasket leaks on it.
Really?
Let's cool down a little bit.
Can you show me? John Ross is putting that bolt you took off back on.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Make sure your shifter doesn't just fall on you.
That would be fantastic, yes.
Let's turn on the magic smoke bong.
Ooh, there's the smoke. Yes, wizard smoke. And you're shoving that into...
Where a little vacuum port was.
I see.
You can see smoke right there, where the two halves come together.
Yep. Coming out right there.
Where the seam is.
Intake gasket. The latest thing to break on this E63, or it was probably there before.
Yeah.
So how much is that going to cost me?
Well, probably another $1,000.
You just like saying that.
I like that word.
No, it's not going to be $1,000.
I got a Citation 10 to buy. Come
Oh
on, give me a break, Tyler.
So what else of mine are you working on? Well, it's starting to look like an engine a little bit.
Yeah, the huge disaster of parts laying everywhere is starting to come together and look like an engine.
So do you think it will go back together eventually, this Humpty Dumpty?
Yeah.
Oh yes, look at those pretty welded pipes in there. Very nice, with some new hoses. I'll finally be back in business. I miss this car.
I bet you do. It's
I'd love to
fast.
get it back.
We just did the spark plugs today. I decided it's better to do it now than
With the engine inside?
in there.
Yes. Okay, well hopefully, I'd love to see this thing before winter. I'd love to see this thing next week, but that's probably not going to happen.
Probably not.
Yes, and I also got the DeLorean up here. We're going to get started. Got some more parts in. The never-ending DeLorean saga. Oh, John Ross is back.
Yeah.
And
Transmission pan is snugged up.
Good deal.
thank you. So I ordered these fuel lines after Video Bob Mosley told me my car would burn down at any moment.
This is the cold start injector that Video Bob talked about.
Yes.
The rest are all the
And a
stainless
fuel
steel
accumulator,
lines. Yeah.
right?
Stainless steel lines to replace all the plastic ones.
Then
Fancy.
maybe I'll have a DeLorean that actually wants to cold start.
Yeah.
You still have to figure out the air conditioning
Yes, I do.
and glue the mirrors back on.
Glue the mirrors back with better glue.
But we're close.
We are.
It's amazing.
Once we get these things sorted, you'll have a fully sorted DeLorean.
Yes. So between the Porsche progress, the E63, there's light at the end of the tunnel. This doesn't seem so daunting. And then the Maserati's down in Kansas City. I need to go get that.
Oh, great.
You're not doing anything. Let's go get that.
Let's go.
Cars are getting done.
Right now.
I actually have cars.
They're starting to collect. Where are you going to put them all?
Good question.
It's gonna have to rent a car barn.
Thank you for watching. Are you back in now?
Sure.
Okay, well then you need to walk in with this. This is how we walk in. This is reality TV show experience. We don't need to be walking from the same place. Come here.
Oh, okay.
Come here.
We have to walk like we just walked over here.
Yes.